Who want that? Oh, man, I can't fool myself. Then one man will tell you, look at that idiot. He's doing it so well, it's so stupid. And you know, say comedians, get the kind of course where they will cost you, you'll just take them. Because it means something to them. And imagine you just finished performing and somebody came out and said, oh my, na girls who born of band. Oh my day. What did you worry about? I didn't play for girls, I didn't play. So we don't just muscle use attitude to kill us. We know you. You and a mama when you come over, mama food already. But when you don't come out, you won't impress. Don't reach you the land gate. The evil spirit right now. Kill them with English. They'll be like Terminator. What did they hear now? Is be like microwave network, no good. I like girls, so I don't have a problem. But what I don't enjoy, you don't do this and still go to church and do this. It's called your mate. Will lift our hair. For who? Jesus. Jesus is my girlfriend. There's a woman, I don't do this attitude very much. You get to your house, your dad won't send you. You forget that your father. Yeah, one day. Yeah. Open mouth like photograph. What's all that? I saw one girl just do it, just buy BB. In order so they subscribe. Don't go meet her friends, they